Yo, welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and it is time for another review. Alright, now check this out. A couple years ago, I got this, bam, for Christmas. I really wanted it. I can't remember if my sister or my wife got me this. I can't remember, right? But I love this gift. Like, I was so excited and hype on this. I'm like, hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. The workout mask. I used to call it the altitude mask, but they say that you can't call it that now. But I'm like, yeah, like I want this. It's going to take my workouts to the next level, right? A damn year went by. I think 2 years went by. I was downstairs working out, and I looked over, and I'm like, I saw this box still had the plastic on it. I said, ain't this about, bitch? I ain't used this yet. So I was like, I got to check this out. So I actually used it a couple weeks ago for the first time. I'm actually going to put a clip of me actually with it on, doing just some light cardio stuff, just to show you, like, you know, what it looked like with it on, right? So anyway, real quick, I'm going to show you. This is the Sparthos, I think that's how you say it, Sparthos workout mask. This is what the box looked like. Pretty cool little box. When you open it, I'm getting straight to it because I know people, when they watch reviews, they just want to get to the good stuff and just know if it's cool or not. All right. So when you get the box, you know, they give you a little instructional thing, boom, and they give you another, like, a guide thing coming there. All right, you like, damn, all that. All right. First and foremost, they give you this cool little case thing. I like this, right? Boom. It zips up. This is where the mask stay in, right? You can open up, you can take it with you. You can actually clip this. It got a little clip thing. You can clip it to your gym bag or whatever, strap it onto something. Real cool. But inside, yeah, you're going to find this bad boy right here. I ain't going to lie, one of the cool things about these, I just like the way they look, man. You look cool as hell with this thing going. You know what I'm saying? Kind of really don't matter because I work out in the basement. I don't even go to the gym or nothing, but I still look cool when I got it on. All right, so this is what it looks like. Very lightweight, right? Check it out. I need to put it the right way. All right, so I'm trying to show you up close. Now, they have different things. When you get this, they say there's 16 different altitudes or levels of pressure, right? When it comes to putting this on, when it comes to your experience, 16 different options. But that's just crazy because really, it's like, really like 8. So what they do is, on each side, you see right here, this little thing here, you slide it up, right? Each side. So this side and then this side. When they're both up like that, that's the beginner level. All right, hopefully you can see that. That's the beginner level. So if you drop each one down one, right, it makes it more intense, right? Far as, like, it makes your breathing more difficult, right? For every notch that you go down, right? So why there's so many different options, because you can have, for example, like the right side could be on level 1 and the left side could be on level 2, right? And then you can have one side on 3 and one side on 1, but that don't make no damn sense. I think it's better to keep it equal. Right? So when I first started, I put them both on 2, right? So here and there. I think that's 2. Yeah. Boom. I put them both on 2. All right. Now, 1, if you're a brand new workout person, start on 1. All right. Now, 1 is very light. You know what I'm saying? It's like damn near non-existent, but it still gives you some air resistance, or however you want to call it. I started with 2, both sides on 2. So I just put these little notches, clink, clink. All right. Now, when you put this on, you know, and everybody say it in their review videos, it is hard for people to hear you. I will say that, like, you know, it is what it is. So this is what the back looked like. So I put this on, show you what it looked like. It's very easy to put on. All you do is, first of all, let me get it right. You put it like this, right? Put it on, bam. Then you got a strap in the back, all right? See here, boom, you just strap it. I don't know if you can see it. All right, Man, alright, you get the point. Hopefully you can hear me. So hopefully you can hear me with this on, right? I sound like I'm in some, like I'm a monster. I look like Sub-Zero. So you can see I like this. I look like Sub-Zero, you know what I'm saying, with this on. But this one looks like boom. Now, if you are drinking like water or something, that's what you might be thinking. You can do it, but you gotta be quick with it. So if you got water, you gotta like, you can go like this, lift it up, might be annoying, and take a sip of water like that. A lot of people just try to keep it on for the majority of their workout, but I like to sip on water, but that's just me. So you take it off, you just unstrap it, and take it off just like that, and you're done, right? Now, my experience with this was I used it for like a 20-minute, I think I did like cardio for like 20 minutes. I was doing like a circuit training, hitting the heavy bag, hitting the double end bag, doing some jumping jacks, and I just did circuits, right? At first, I ain't gonna lie, I was like maybe like 6-7 minutes into my workout, I'm like, this really ain't shit. You know what I'm saying? Like I was like, I don't get it, right? Keep in mind, I have them both on level 2. About 5 minutes later into my workout, I had this bitch on. I'm like, right? Like you can feel it, and I liked it though, right? I liked it. Now it might freak some people out, depends on who you is, but I liked it. It's like it feels like a challenge. You do feel like, shit, I'm fighting to like, I'm working harder doing them jumping jacks. Like I would feel it, right? So I was like, okay, cool. So when I took this off, I felt like a relief, but I felt like I did something. I did feel like the workout was more intense, right? Now I only worked out that one time with it so far, right? But I wanted to get this review. You know, I didn't want to not work out with it and just talk about this. I wanted to experience it. So I pretty much got the gist of what it's like to work out with it. Overall, I think it is cool, right? Would I use it every day? Me personally, probably not, but like throwing it in once, twice a week, doing some cardio stuff, it will up your workout. It will make you like work harder, breathe harder, and like push through. Like especially if you ain't no bitch and you're not gonna take the mask off, right? If you can fight through it, unless you're getting some water, keep it on majority of the time. And I feel like it will give your workout it will take your workout to another level, in my opinion. But this is fairly inexpensive. I think you can get this on Amazon right now. Of course, you know I got the link below. You know that, right? As I'm posting this video, it's like $39 for this. Now, who knows? With the world inflation, it might be $69 or it might be $29 by now. Who knows? But do I think this is a cool investment? Even though this was a gift to me, I would have bought this anyway. I like it, right? Especially if you're looking for just a way to make your workouts different, a way to make your workouts more intense. I would recommend this Sparthos workout mask. Keep in mind, there's all different kinds of brands, but they pretty much do the same thing. Oh, and one more thing that I forgot, man, my bad. Inside of these, so not only do you have these different, what the hell am I doing? Not only do you have these different notches things, right, to adjust the airflow, what makes it, you can alternate in the back. They have these things, I don't know if you can see, but it has like a little filter thing inside of there. They got 2 in there, so you can take each one out and turn them around, and that even adds a different, that controls your airflow, like the amount, like what direction is coming in, whether inhale or exhale. You can just play with it, right? But you can take these filter things, these little rubber things, in and out. You can have 2 in, 1 in, whatever. I personally just keep it simple, guys. Get this mask. There's already 1 filter thing in if you get it. And just adjust these. Just adjust these. Start on level 1, both sides on 1. Then once you feel like, okay, I could do this, then just drop them down. Level 2, both sides level 2, right? And then you a bad dude if you go down, or lady, to go down to 3, level 3, and level 4. I probably won't mess with this for a long time. Level 4 probably, like, I mean, that's probably be crazy, right? But yeah, that's my thoughts about this Sparthos Workout mask. I mean, it's cool. I mean, I like it. Comment below if you decide to get this or you have one, and let people know what you think about this. Like I said, link in the description.